Second, if a large truck turns on its left turn signal, drive in front of you and keep slowing down. When your speed slows down, the large truck turned on its right turn signal. Return to original lane. At this time, you must not be angry. The big truck is reminding you that there is an emergency ahead. Reduce vehicle speed, follow his car and take the safe passage together. Third, if the large truck in front of you turns on its left turn signal, but it still hasn't changed its path, this is to remind you that there is danger ahead on the left side. Don't overtake. If the large truck turns on its right turn signal, this reminds you that you can overtake safely. We should give the kind truck drivers a thumbs up. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn more about cars.